Hey, someone get us a knife. Oh, Jim got it. Go.
Hey, Jay.
What?
Get back, Ryan.
Jay, lousy window.
Get back. Get back.
Yeah, this is from me and my mom.
No, it's from all of
I'm
us.
just kidding.
And hey, listen up.
Bobby?
See what Grandma's got.
Oh, thanks, Pop.
Sweet, it's more cardboard.
Yeehaw.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to hit you with it.
Don't turn that box up and make it. Cut it, make a cars thing out of it.
Stop. No, it's not.
It ain't big enough to put them all in. Anyway.
We got.
Ryan will fit in there.
What is this?
All right, ready?
Look out, Rye.
Right here, Mom.
Get back, Ryan. Ryan, get back.
Ryan, get back.
They're taking pictures. Get back.
Ryan.
Can
Can you tell what it is?
Yes. Gonna make me cry.
We already made someone cry.
Oh.
You don't want to know?
I'm the best one. Come here, look, honey.
Be careful. Bunch of ugliness on a portrait or a...
So that's what you're doing with those pictures, Mom?
Look.
Sweet.
Just admire me, Grandma. Just admire me.
No, that's you. It's
The mean bee, Ryan. Look for the mean bee.
Okay, Graydon.
Greg.
And
Graydon.
where, Mom? Come show me.
Yeah, but Graydon's upset because he couldn't come down here with us because you're his Grandma Diane, too.
Mom, can I take this? Where's
Who
me?
done that?
By the first one, second.
Same people that did those, I think.
Yep.
By the top of our
Turn it
row.
around so we can take your picture.
Which one's me, Mom?
You're on the bottom right-hand
The
corner.
mean bee. Look for the mean bee on the porch.
You don't even look like that anymore. He's got
See,
long
look,
hair.
you can tell. Me,
And I would like to get some miles behind us.
But let's
Mercedes.
just light too.
Look how pretty.
Mercedes.
I'm going to get the train out.
Right here.
No, this is light out too. But it won't take long to get all that.
You're Uncle Bossy.
Looks like she's got her tummy.
Lucy.
Hunter.
You don't like Tommy.
I got my money.
That's Drew.